In this video, I will be showing you my step-by-step process for restoring this 62-year-old photo. This is about as difficult a situation as you will ever find. The image used is a scanned image of a poor quality and severely faded print of a photo taken with a low-end point-and-shoot camera in 1964. The print was stored in a box with hundreds of photos for many years. The residue of tape on the image clearly indicates a lack of concern for preserving the image. Even with so much going against it, the image data is still there, and it just takes a program like Photoshop to find and reveal the details. AI is often used to restore photos, but in this case, it is not the best tool. If AI doesn't see the details, it will just create them. That often leads to something quite different than desired. We need to do everything we can in Photoshop to define the image before we apply AI to refine it. Step 1. Remove the evidence of the tape residue. Use a narrow rectangular box to select the residue in the photo. Click Remove and Photoshop AI will do the rest. Step 2. Apply adjustment layers. Start with Clarity and Dehaze. Apply second adjustment layer. Select levels. Adjust highlights, shadows, and midtones. Add brightness and contrast adjustment layer. Adjust contrast first. Flatten image to combine all the adjustments. The file is now a single layer again. Duplicate layer, then select Filter, Other, Highpass. This will result in a gray layer. In normal layer mode, click Normal to change the layer mode. A menu will pop up with a number of selections. Run your mouse over the selections, starting with Overlay and going downward. Observe where the image is sharpest and select that. In this case, it is linear light. Flatten image again, then add one more adjustment layer, Color and Vibrance. This adjustment set is very sensitive and only requires a slight adjustment of each slider. Now that we have a sharp, detailed image, we can use AI to refine the image. When writing prompts for AI, I have found that it is best to do it in small steps. If you tell AI to do a number of things at once, it gets creative and creates any number of combinations of your parameters. For that reason, I created 3 prompts. Prompt 1 enhanced the Photoshop image. Prompt 2 enhanced the background details of the wallpaper and hanging picture. Prompt 3 enhanced the details of the hanging picture. If you want to dive deeper into photo editing, there is a link to my books in the description. Be sure to subscribe and click the bell to see more videos like this. Let's keep it simple.